Today we are going to Lord's Stadium. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is exciting. Not that much exciting for me, but this is exciting for these two boys. So let's ask them why they're excited and where are we going. Hi, today we are going to explore the Lord's Stadium. Are you excited? Yes, I am very excited.
We finally visited the iconic Lord's Cricket Ground, the place famously known as the home of cricket. Now, unfortunately, videography was not allowed during the guided tour, so we could only take photographs inside. But honestly, the pictures themselves tell such an incredible story, and I'll be taking you through everything we saw, along with some amazing history and facts about this legendary stadium. So, if you are a cricket fan, this place is basically cricket heaven.
So we have just entered and got the pass. So going inside, let's go and explore.
The moment you walk into Lord's, you can actually feel the history around you. The stadium is not just another cricket ground, it's one of the most historic sporting venues in the world. Lord's is located in London and is owned by famous Marylebone Cricket Club, also known as MCC. And here is a cool fact. The ground is named after Thomas Lord, the man who founded it way back in 1787. Imagine that. Cricket history from more than 230 years ago. The tour included a museum area. As soon as you enter, you can see that. This is honestly a treasure chest for cricket fans. One of the most famous items here is the original Ashes urn. Yes, the actual Ashes urn. One of the most iconic parts of Lord's is definitely the pavilion. The beautiful red brick building is probably one of the most recognizable structures in cricket. The pavilion was built in 1890 and inside it are the famous long room and dressing rooms. Now the long room is legendary because players walk through it before stepping onto the field. And if you are a cricketer, that walk is considered one of the biggest moments in sport. Imagine legends like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and Shane Warne walking through the exact same corridor. That's honestly goosebump material. One thing every cricket fan dreams about is getting their names on the famous honour boards at Lord's. If a batter scores a century or a bowler takes 5 wickets in an innings, then their name gets added forever. And what's crazy is that even some all-time greats never made it onto these boards. Now this balcony right here has seen some unforgettable moments in cricket history. Every Indian fan instantly remembers that 2002 NatWest Trophy final when Saurav Ganguly celebrated India's victory by waving his shirt from the Lord's balcony. That moment became absolutely iconic in Indian cricket history. And definitely, the tour guide also mentioned that. And of course, Lord's has hosted some of the biggest matches ever, including multiple World Cup finals. What I personally loved most about Lord's was the atmosphere. Even when there is no match happening, the ground still feels alive with history. Every corner has a story attached to it. Even though we couldn't record videos inside, I hope these photos helped capture just how special this place really is.
Visited
I visited Lord's Cricket Ground and I loved the dress changing room.
and do you like the ground?
Yes,
What else you saw? The commentator box.
yes.
What else you like? You visited what all dressing rooms you visited? You went to both
The home dressing rooms and the outside dressing rooms
the away dressing room. It's a visitor dressing room.
and visitors dressing room.
I thought I won't like it, but actually speaking, it was good. It was a really nice experience. It is basically a 90 minutes guided tour, and they gave a tour of entire Lord's Stadium, Lord's Ground, and it was really nice. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Then bye bye, and thank you for watching.